Great to have you here, guys. Welcome to this video. Here's a little new tool that I would like to show you, specifically for dosing, applying and mixing interior cleaners. Here is the new chemicalworkz bottle. You see, I am currently here actively working. I even have a bit of dirt on my hands. So let's take a look at the new bottle. This is a foamer bottle. You can already see it here at the top. This means it dispenses foam. And I just wanted to make a little informational video about it because the nice thing about this small bottle is that it is not just a small foamer bottle, but you also have a 150 ml reservoir here and you can mix everything perfectly, especially if you have any concentrates, for example. Whether you want to foam a ready-to-use product like this one, for example, for leather cleaning, then just open it here. Let's put in 50 ml. On the side, you have the scale with the ml indications, 50 ml or, for example, 1 to 2. It's really easy to do. You simply fill up to the line with your product and then top it off with water. And now you can also dilute small concentrates here. And whether you have a ready-to-use product like this one, you can easily foam it afterwards. It comes out directly as foam up here. It works absolutely great. So it functions perfectly, making it ideal for use in the interior, as the cleaners do not need to be sprayed or applied to the cloth. You have a very low product consumption. It creates a very nice airy foam, and you can see that it adheres well to the surface, which is important, especially when you are working with a brush for textile cleaning, or if you have something on the scrub pad. It won't drip onto the floor, but rather stays in the structure as foam. So you see, this is really very, very nice, and you can use it for ready-to-use products. If you want to foam them, you can still spray normally. Everyone uses it a little differently. Everyone has different methods. And here you have a small foam dispenser bottle, and I wanted to give you this short info video about it, 150 ml. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, you are perfectly equipped and have the option to easily mix your interior cleaner here or store it in this bottle and then foam it up directly afterwards. Be sure to check out the short info video on this. Until next time, your Sebastian. Bye everyone.